Hi, I'm Angie, and this is how to make a bathroom more comfortable and functional for a range of accessibility needs. Let's get into it. This bathroom in a multi-generational home has been set up with practical updates to help make everyday routines safer and easier without giving up on style. Wider entryways make it easier to move in and out. Inside, everything's been thought through for ease and flow. There's room to move, turn, and reach what you need without feeling cramped or restricted. Grab rails have been placed for support, especially near the toilet and shower. They're stylish, sturdy, and make a big difference when it comes to stability and confidence. The tapper and fittings are easy to use and don't need much grip strength, and the tiles are clean, modern, and slip-resistant underfoot to help with grip. A raised toilet seat and surrounding handrails make sitting down and standing up safer. And in the shower, there's a comfortable seat and handheld shower head, so you can wash without standing. There's also a swivel turn plate on the floor, great for helping someone rotate from a chair or wheelchair onto a toilet or shower seat. It's soft underfoot, slip-resistant, and easy to clean, giving both users and carers more confidence with transfers. For added support, or where you're looking for temporary solutions, things like toilet frames and raised toilet seats make navigating around the space easier and more secure. This bathroom shows just how doable it is to make a home more comfortable for supporting someone's individual needs. And there you have it. If you like this video, make sure to check out our assisted living range and our other DIY articles online.